In 10th question, the figure is drawn it like this. This part is 3 units and this part is 2 units. It means that the remaining part, okay, that will be 1 unit. In all these diagram, what is the simple way to solve it? We have to break the figure into a rectangles or a square, because we know the area of rectangle and square. Okay, so to break it, what I have done, I have drawn all the lines parallel which are vertical. Okay, vertically parallel lines I have drawn. I have drawn parallel line to this. This was the already given side. To this I have drawn, this is parallel. Okay, to this again I have drawn, this is parallel. To this again I have drawn, this is parallel, and hence I got it here rectangle 1, rectangle 2, rectangle 3 and rectangle 4. Now I will find out the separate area for all these rectangles, and to find out the area of this figure I will add all these area. So to find out the area we should know what is the length and breadth. So for the first area, okay, for the first rectangle, as we can see 4 is given the length, and what is the breadth? Breadth is 2. If this is 2, then I know that the opposite side of rectangle are equal. So this also be 2. If this is 2, whole it is given 3, it means remaining is 1. So this will be 1. As this is 1, this will be 1. This is 2 and this is 4. So what will be the length of the second rectangle? Length of the second rectangle will be 6 into, that is breadth will be 1. What for the third rectangle? For third rectangle, okay, it is already given 3. Out of that 3, 1 it is here. It means remaining will be 2. So this is 2. Breadth is 2. And what is about the length? Length, this will be 2. Okay. 2 plus this much it is there. Now, if this part, if I want to find out, this is exactly, we are going to get equal to this, and hence we have taken this is equal to 1. So 2 plus 1, that is 3 will be the height of this rectangle and breadth will be 2. So for third rectangle, the length is 3 and breadth is 2. We have to put the value and we have to find out. For fourth rectangle, now already it is, we are having this is equal to 2. Okay, and this total length is 4. How it is 4? Because this already we have got, that is 3 and this is 1. Okay, breadth is 2. So length is 4 and breadth is 2. We got here area, and after finding out area of all these 4 rectangles, we have to add it so that we will get the area of a figure. So we got the area of the figure, that is equal to 8 plus 6 plus 6 plus 8. That is equal to 28 centimeters square. As we have solved the problem number A, same way we can solve the problem B. Now problem B, all the measurements are already given here. What we can, again we can draw the parallel lines, that is vertically, to divide it into a rectangle. So this will be your one rectangle, this will be your second rectangle, and this will be your third rectangle. All rectangles area you find out and you have to add it. How you are going to get? This is length already given 3 into 1. For second rectangle, this is 3 is given. Okay, this length is 2 because this is given 2, it means this is 2. Out of 3, this is 2, it means remaining is 1. Okay, so 1 will be the, it's a width, and 3 will be the length of the second rectangle. How you can do for the third rectangle? For third rectangle, this is the 2, this is 2 and this is 1. It means the length is 3 and breadth is 1. So you can apply the formula, same way you can do it here. Okay, now in 12th questions, the problem is given different, that I am going to solve it here. How many tiles whose length and breadth are 12 cm into 5 cm are respectively? This is the tile, okay, and we have to fit in this region. Okay, in this region, how many tiles of this shape, okay, will be needed? मतलब यहाँ पे और भी ज़्यादा tiles आएंगी. ऐसे कितने सारे tiles आएंगे? That we have to find out. So what we should need to find out here? First we should find out what is the area of the region, what is the area of one tile, Okay, and then we have to divide the area of region by the area, that is length into breadth. You will get this area of one tile. Okay, you will get this. Now area, number of tiles we have to find out, that is equal to area of the region divided by area of one tile, and hence you will get the answer 240. Like that you can solve question B also.